And technically, you don't need the descriptor.
For anyone who's listening that might not be aware, why is it with a multi-sig setup you have to include the descriptor as well too? Could you just touch on the importance of keeping that information as well along with your seed phrase?
Yes, so the seed phrase, technically you don't need the descriptor, but you need all three public keys to be able to spend from any of your UTXOs, from any of your funds in the multi-sig wallet. And to get the public key, you can have the seed. So if you have a 2 or 3 and you have all 3 shares, well, then you can just use those 3 shares to get the public keys and then regenerate the descriptor. So the interesting part, or the situation where you do need the descriptor, is when you rely on the 2 or 3 or 3 or 5 or whatever you have, and rely on that property by saying, I only have the 2 keys out of the 3 total. Then the way multisig works is that, yes, 2 keys are enough, 2 private keys are enough, but you need the public keys for the remaining keys, the shares or the seeds that you don't have. And that's what the descriptor contains. The descriptor contains all the private keys in your setup. So that's the short story.